Hello friends! In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can create your own stickers in WhatsApp on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, be sure to put likes, write comments after watching, and let us get started with you. So, first of all, open the WhatsApp app. Then when you open it, go to the chat section at the bottom and here select any correspondence. Next, at the bottom in the message bar, tap on this here sign. In this way, friends, you will go to your stickers. And in order to create a new one, or if you don't have one yet, if you want to create one at all, you'll need to click here. Next, select any photo from your gallery. Wait a few seconds for your sticker to be generated. There are two options here as to what your sticker can look like. The first one. It's framed, meaning it will be the whole photo, nothing will be cropped. And the second option. It will be a cropped centerpiece. Once you've chosen the option you want, you can also, for example, add text here. If you click on the letter T at the top, here you can add absolutely any text in any font you like. You can also choose a color for that font, for example. After that, friends, you can shrink it or enlarge it and move it somewhere. Next, what else can you do? You can add some sort of drawing. You can do that by clicking on this sign at the top right. And here you can add a picture. So after that, friends, when you choose a drawing at the bottom, you can choose different tools. And when you've drawn everything, click Done. That's how you change your sticker. Next, friends, just send it. As you can see, immediately the sticker has been modified and sent, and automatically added to your stickers. This way, you can build your sticker collection in WhatsApp. And another option is how you can make your own sticker. For this, you will need to go to the gallery on your iPhone. And then select any photo from your gallery that you would like to make a sticker from. Next, tap on the center shape and hold for a couple of seconds. Next, select Copy. After which, go back to the WhatsApp app. Now in the message bar, tap and hold. And select Paste. Next, friends, you can also edit the sticker that you have selected. Or you can send it so ready, click on Send for that. Wait for a few seconds for the sticker to load and it will already be sent. And now friends, if you go right here to the stickers section, you can see your sticker that you copy from the gallery in all your WhatsApp stickers. This is how you can easily create your own stickers in WhatsApp on iPhone app. Friends, I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments. Also subscribe to this channel. Take care.